Hello and welcome to DASS project. DASS is a European project in partnership with 5 different countries, which aim is to create a tool for youth workers using dance and other creative form to cope with stress. In order for you to be able to have as many information as possible about the program, please make sure to read the booklet that you will find in the description. Enjoy your program.
You're watching the tutorial of the dance activities of our third and last workshop. Please make sure you lead the warm-up before the following activity. You will find it in our DASS playlist. Enjoy!
Great.
The facilitator invites the participants to write down some dance steps they know. They should also invent some new steps that they think should be included in the dance vocabulary. When ready, they should put all the steps together in order to have a list. The invented one should be underlined. The participants should take a few minutes to go through the list and explore movement about some of the dance steps. Now, the facilitator invites the participants to find a spot in the room where they feel good, find a comfortable position and close their eyes to recall 2 events that happened in their lives. One where they felt good stress and one where they felt bad stress. They should visualize the body state connected to the 2 different experiences. Please follow the upcoming audio and respect the timing.
I invite you to take this moment to connect with yourselves, your memories, and recall a moment of your life where you felt good stress, exciting stress. And I invite you to feel, to observe the state of your body in that moment. To observe how the body would react physically to that excitement. And now I invite you to recall a scene of your life where you felt bad stress. And to observe the state of your body in that moment. How the body would react to that state. And now I invite you to let go of these memories and reconnect with this room, with the temperature of the floor, of the air, of the smell. And the colors and shapes you can see through your eyelids, eyes closed. And when you're ready, I invite you to gently open your eyes and find your way to get up in a safe way. And once you get up onto your feet, make sure to shake your body to release the body tensions you might have right now. Go from one foot to the other and take a little walk into the space to release this energy through shaking your bodies, little movements to let go of this energy.
They are now invited to form duets and talk to their partner about the experience they just had and show the body states they identified. Now, the facilitator invites the participants to form groups of 4 people and tell a story through a choreography. The vocabulary used should come from the list they have made, including half of existing dance steps and half of invented steps. When ready, they should show their story.
Hello, it's now time for you to follow the stretching tutorials that you will find in our DASS playlist. Enjoy!
Thank you for watching. If you would like to know more about dance and its impact, or more trainings on how to facilitate dance workshop, keep your research and never stop practice. Goodbye, and hopefully we will meet you at some point.